Hello everyone, I'm Scott and this is Jazz filming me. We are with Dencore and we're here to talk to you today about a common issue with the Chairside Aerosol Suction Unit that several users have reported. And that is the arm drifting down while it's in operation. Very easy fix for this. You're just going to loosen these two hand tighten screws here, lift the base of the arm out of the unit, and there's a little lever here. That's going to be facing toward the back of the machine. When you place it back in the machine at a 180 turn, so do a 180 turn, place it back, and at this point you're going to feel it give you a little tension back toward you, and that's what you want. So tighten the hand screws back down and you're good to go.